Very good morning, children. Today we'll start with matrices. Now the basic operations, types of matrices you have studied last year. This year we have only small part of matrices. That is, we need to learn adjoint method. Second, we need to learn method of inversion. Third, we have elementary transformations. And fourth, we have reduction method. Okay. So in the first part, we will be covering these two methods because these two methods are little bit related to each other. Now, first of all, this adjoint method and elementary transformation is used to find inverse of a matrix. Let us focus what do you mean by inverse. Suppose a matrix A is defined as, I'll take a simple example, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know how to add this matrix to another matrix, subtract, multiply, divide. Today we'll learn with what I should multiply this so that I get the answer as 1. So with what matrix I should multiply this matrix so that I get the answer as 1, and 1 in matrices means I. Like till 10th we used to do 2 into half is 1. अगर 2 को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो आंसर आएगा 1, मतलब 2 का इनवर्स हो गया हाफ. वैसे ही I should also have inverse of a matrix, that is some matrix which when multiplied by A gives me the answer as I. This matrix is called as inverse of a matrix. It is denoted by A inverse. It is inverse means -1 of the matrix, that is A, so A inverse. So either A into A inverse is I, or A inverse into A is also I. But both you have to use it smartly. Sometimes you have to use this, sometimes you have to use this. Okay? So our task is to find inverse of this 2 by 2 matrix by adjoint method. So for adjoint method, what you are supposed to do, let us see. For adjoint method, you will first find the determinant. You will first find determinant of the matrix. And for inverse to exist, determinant should not be equal to 0. अगर determinant 0 नहीं आया तो ही inverse आएगा. अगर determinant 0 आता है, inverse does not exist. Second, you will find cofactors and its matrix. You will find cofactor and its matrix. Third, you will find adjoint. By the name itself, adjoint निकालना पड़ेगा. And last, you will find inverse of that matrix. So 4 steps: determinant, cofactors, adjoint, inverse. Now you are very well known with the part of cofactors. Still will revise. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elements are? 4 elements. This one will be called as A11. This will be called as A12, A21, A22. So before I start, I need to check the determinant. Let us find determinant. So determinant कितना आएगा? 4 minus 6, that is -2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. First, I need to check whether A inverse exists or not. Correct? So if determinant is not equal to 0, A inverse will exist. Once I confirm that A inverse exists, I will find cofactors of all the elements. How many elements I have? 4. So cofactor of Aij is nothing but -1 raised to I plus j into minor of Aij into minor of Aij. First to write the formula, then you start substitution. So first क्या लेंगे? cofactor of first element A11. क्या आएगा A11? -1, 1 + 1 that is 2. अब माइनर मतलब A11 का माइनर, so A11 का माइनर मतलब है फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम हाइड कर दो. This stands for row, this stands for column. It means first row and first column hide करना है. So I'll hide the first row and the first column. So what is left? 4. So I'll write here 4. Similarly, cofactor of A12. So -1, 1 + 2 कितना आएगा? 3. First row, second column. So first row, second column, 3. So I'll write 3. Then cofactor of A21 क्या आएगा? -1 cube, second row, first column, 2. And A22 क्या आएगा? -1⁴, second row, second column, 1. Now let us solve this. 4, ये पॉजिटिव 1 आएगा, so answer is 4. 3, ये नेगेटिव आंसर आएगा, so -3. This will also be negative, -2, and this will be 1. So once you get all the cofactors, you will write cofactor matrix. क्या लिखोगे? Cofactor matrix. क्या है पहला एलिमेंट? 4. नेक्स्ट क्या है? -3, -2, 1. Once you are done with cofactor, we will find adjoint. So adjoint of A will be cofactor matrix का ट्रांसपोज. इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज निकालना है, मतलब रो को कॉलम में, मतलब 4 -3 I'll write like this. So 4 -3, -2, 1. Finally, by adjoint method, I will get A inverse as 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. That is, my A inverse becomes 1 upon determinant A कितना है मेरा? -2. Adjoint A कितना है? 4, -2, -3, 1. This will be a final answer. Now for 2 by 2 matrix, you can orally check whether we have written this is correct or wrong. How? Let us see. Observe this matrix and this matrix. Forget this right now. Just see this matrix and this. If you observe, ये दो इंटरचेंज हो गए हैं. यहां पर 1 4 था, इधर 4 1 हो गया है. एंड सेकेंड, इन दोनों का साइन चेंज हो गया. सिर्फ देखो, ये पॉजिटिव था तो ये नेगेटिव, ये पॉजिटिव था तो ये नेगेटिव. इफ यू गेट सेम नंबर्स, जस्ट ये फ्लिप हुआ और ये ऑपोजिट्स हो गए, इट मीन्स योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. लेट अस डू अ शॉर्ट प्रैक्टिस. I'll take one more question. Matrix B, 2 3 -1 6 suppose. मुझे निकालना है B इनवर्स. क्या निकालना है? B इनवर्स. You will do entire step again. I'm just explaining how to write shortcut. At least how to write the final answer. Determinant कितना आएगा? 12 plus 3 15. 15. अब क्या करना है? इनको स्वैप करना है. 6 यहां पर आएगा, 2 यहां पर आएगा. इनको ऑपोजिट करना है. 3 को -3, -1 को 1. If you don't have time in exam, at least you can write the final answer. Okay. Let's take an example of a 3 by 3 matrix for finding inverse using adjoint method. As usual, first I will start with determinant A. So what is determinant A over here? 1 into something, middle one का opposite into something plus 2 into something. So क्या आएगा ये -3 -0, then 2 minus of -10 and 0 minus of -6, that is -3 plus 12 plus 12, which is 21, which is not equal to 0. Therefore I can say A inverse exists. Since A inverse exists, I will first write the formula of cofactor. Cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 I plus j minor of Aij. ठीक है, कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर? 9 एलिमेंट्स. सो आई शुड हैव 9 cofactors. That is cofactor of A11, cofactor of A12, cofactor of A13, cofactor of A21, cofactor of A22, cofactor of A23, then A31, A32, A33. ठीक है. Now for A11 क्या आएगा? -1 1 plus 1 2, -1 1 plus 2 3, -1 4, -1 3, -1 4, -1 5, -1 4 5 6. Now I need to find the minors of each of the cofactor. तो क्या आएगा? Since it is 3 by 3, so every minor will be 2 by 2. Every minor will be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Let us see what it will be. Now if you observe carefully, पहला रो completely छुपा दो और फर्स्ट कॉलम छुपा दो. What you are saying? 3 5 0 -1. So 3 5 0 -1. Now keep the first row hidden and second column now. -2 5 -2 -1. Now third column. -2 3 -2 0. Now this is second row, first column. तो second row छुपा दो, first column छुपा दो. -1 2 0 -1. Again second row, second column. So 1 2 -2 -1. Second row, third column. So 1 -1 -2 0. अभी थर्ड रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम. -1 2 3 5. -1 2 3 5. Second -1 2 -2 5. And last 1 -1 -2 3. Correct? So let us simplify these brackets. इसको हम बाद में देखेंगे. And just finding answer of this. कितना आएगा? -3. 2 minus of -10, that is 12. ये आएगा 0 minus of -6, that is +6. 1 -1 +4, that is 3. 0 -2 -2. -5 -6 -11. 5 + 4 9. 3 -2 1. Understood? It will be 3 minus of 2, 1. Now we need to think about these brackets. -1 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? 1, so no change. -1 क्यूब क्या आएगा? माइनस, तो it become -12. Here even पावर है, so no change. ऑड पावर है, चेंज. इवन पावर नो चेंज, ऑड पावर चेंज, तो इट बिकम्स प्लस. पहले -2 था, +2 हो जाएगा. इवन पावर नो चेंज, ऑड पावर चेंज, इवन पावर नो चेंज. डन विथ कोफैक्टर्स. नाउ व्हाट यू राइट? कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स. सो मेरा कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स, I'll write always row wise here. तो क्या आएगा? -3, -12, 6, -1, 3, 2, -11, -9, 1. Now we'll find adjoint. Adjoint क्या है? कोफैक्टर का ट्रांसपोज. तो सिर्फ ट्रांसपोज लिखना है इसका. क्या आएगा? -3, -12, 6, -1, 3, 2, -11, -9, 1. Once I done the adjoint, therefore by adjoint method I can say A inverse 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Determinant कितना है मेरा? 21. -3, -1, -11, -12, 3, -9, 6, 2, 1. This will be your A inverse. Understood? So I've done one sum for 2 by 2, one sum for 3 by 3. Okay? Okay, children. I'll take the same example of previous one because we have found A and we have found adjoint A. Now, very important sum. I have to prove that. Verify whether A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I. I need to verify this law. This sum is very important for 4 marks. Okay? Clear? So see, since we have done everything in the last sum, so I have taken A matrix as it is and I know what is adjoint A. What is the first part? A into adjoint A. Correct? So I will find what is A into adjoint A. That is matrix multiplication of A and adjoint A. What is A? 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, 5, 2, 0, -1. What adjoint A? -3, -1, -11, -12, 3, -9, 6, 2, 1. Now multiply this matrix now. I hope everybody knows. First row with all columns, second row with all columns, similarly third row. So क्या आएगा? Let us see. -3 plus 12 plus 12. Sorry. -3 plus 12 plus 12. Then -1 -3 plus 4. Okay. Then -11 plus 9 plus 2. Now I'll take second row. It is this row with all 3 columns. तो क्या आएगा ये? 6 minus 36 plus 30. 2 plus 9 plus 10. 2 plus 9 plus 10. 22 minus 27 plus 5. Then I take third row. That is 6 plus 0 minus 6. 2 plus 0 minus 2. 22 प्लस 0 माइनस 1 क्या हो जाएगा ये 24 माइनस 3 21 0 0 है ना 0 21 0 0 0 21 पूरे मैट्रिक्स से मैं कॉमन क्या निकालूंगा 21 21 कॉमन निकाला व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इनसाइड 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 करेक्ट 21 क्या है मेरा डिटर्मिनेंट है what do you mean by this matrix this is nothing but I so my first part is verified that A into adjoint A is mod A into I now you will find what is adjoint A into A we know that matrices is not commutative तो डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं लिख सकते हो you have to multiply and tell -3 -1 -11 -12 3 -9 6 2 1 1 -1 2 -2 3 5 -2 0 -1 you will solve this multiplication you will see that you will get the same answer since you are getting same answer you can say that A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to mod A into R okay thank you